Life is full of projects, whether it's something you do at home or something you do at work. And one of the skills students will need in order to complete projects is project management. But what exactly is project management? Well, project management begins with goal setting based on the big picture idea of what you want to accomplish. Here you need to have a clear sense of where you are going and what it will look like when you are finished. It also involves breaking the project down into tasks and subtasks with clear deadlines. Here you often visualize each part of the task, creating a bridge between the abstract ideas and concrete actions you will take. And in this phase, you also develop a plan of action and select your tools and materials. And if you're working collaboratively, you often divide up the roles and responsibilities. Next, you choose and implement specific strategies. And as this occurs, you begin to monitor your progress. You'll likely run into barriers, which will force you to problem solve and experiment. You might even need to pivot and re-examine your original goals. Now, when students learn the project management process, they grow into self-directed learners capable of being self-starters and self-managers.